Welcome to WizKids TV. Let's open these eggs to find what farm animal is hiding inside. I wonder what animal is inside. Let's give it a squish to find out. Do you know what farm animal this is? Yes, this is a turkey. Do you know what letter turkey starts with? The letter T. T for turkey. Let's open another one. Let's squish it to find out what farm animal is hiding inside. Can you tell me what animal this is? Yes, this is a pig. Do you know what letter pig starts with? P. P for pig. Let's do another one. I wonder what farm animal is hiding inside this one. Can you help me squish the sand again? Do you know what farm animal this is? This is a bunny rabbit. Do you know what rabbit starts with? It starts with the letter R. R for rabbit. Let's have a guess the animal hiding inside this one. Let's squish it to find the animal. This is not an animal. This is the farmer. This farmer takes care of all the farm animals. F for farmer. Let's see what's inside this one. I wonder what animal is hiding inside. Do you know what this is? This is a dog. D for dog. Let's open this one up. I wonder what farm animal is hiding inside this one. Can you have a guess what this is? Yes, this is a rooster. R for rooster. What could be hiding inside this one? Could it be a cow? I wonder if it's a cow. These are vegetables. You grow vegetables in a farm. Vegetables are so yummy. The farmer grows the vegetables. V for vegetables. Let's open this one up. I wonder what animal could be inside. Could it be a horse? Yes, it's a horse. Look how beautiful the horse is. H for horse. We have 5 more to open up. I wonder what's inside this egg. Let's give the sand a squish to expose the animal hiding inside. This is a sheep. Do you know what letter sheep starts with? S. S for sheep. Can you have a guess who's hiding inside this one? Do you think it's a duck? I wonder if it's a duck. No, this is a goat. G for goat. Let's open this egg up and see what's inside. Can you have a guess what animal this is? This is a cat. Cat starts with the letter C. C for cat. Let's have a guess the animal hiding inside this one. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, this is the duck. Can you guess what letter it starts with? D. D for duck. This is the final egg. Let's open it and guess what animal is hiding inside. I wonder what the last animal is. It's a cow. This is a cow. Do you know what letter cow starts with? C. C for cow. Thank you so much for learning with me. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.